How to make another Snapchat account on the same device. First is by opening your Snapchat app, and then you need to log out first your Snapchat account. So click on your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen, go to settings found on the upper right corner, and scroll down and look for the logout option. Click on logout and click on logout once again. In order for you to create another account, you need to click on sign up right here. And then you may click on OK or don't allow. So you need to read this first and choose the option that you want. And then you need to simply follow the steps given, such as by inputting your first name, your last name, and then click on sign up and accept. So there you go. You have now created another Snapchat account on the same device.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.